Okay, well, thank you very much for a viewer who's put me on track with my own tube tester here. It looks like when I tested the EBF89 tube, I did not do it right, and I've learned a little deal here. I'm looking at my chart of settings. I have to look for a little asterisk often after P1. P1 is the diode test. The asterisk is supposed to remind me to have this switch on English. So we're cooking here. Let me just double check here. I think this is all set for the EBF89 6.3. That's right, I was just flipping between 8 and 7 here. Okay, let's give it another go. As you know, I did say I was suspicious when both diodes tested bad. It just made me uncomfortable. So thank you again for making me look at this a little bit closer. Now before I say anything more, we better find out if this actually makes a difference. So there we go. P1. Okay, now it's up in the good range. So that's all it was. It's just me not knowing what I'm doing. So see, it's just clearing the diode's OK line. And I had it over here on the 3000 scale, getting that. Yeah. Oh, okay. So I've had this tube tester a long time, but periodically I forget things that I've read earlier, and I don't think I ever knew about the little asterisk. Wow. Anyway, good. I've canceled the order for this tube. So that's great, but it's really not. It's really disappointing because I was counting on this to fix the radio. Now it's up to me again. Okay, so thanks for watching this little addendum, and I'll get back at the Nordmende, this radio. I'll get back at this one again. See ya.